Hello.
Hi.
Oh, you already submit your competition, right?
Yes.
Okay, I already saw that. Yeah, it's quite good. Let me check. Yeah, if is it already submitted? This one. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's already submitted. Okay. Oh yeah. By the way, when your school holiday will over?
Tomorrow I am going to the school.
Wow, okay. So tomorrow you already have to go to school. So how is it? Do you think your school holiday is enough?
It can
Or
be a little longer.
okay. So how many weeks?
I don't know. Like maybe 2 weeks.
Ah, okay, okay. So what you had done so far during holiday, except the preparing for competition, what else that you had done?
Play with my friends and go to another city.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You travel?
Yes.
Which province?
Magelang.
Oh, Magelang, is that Candi Borobudur?
Yes, the place.
Oh, okay. Oh, I think it's quite far from your place. You live in Jakarta, right?
No, I live in Surabaya.
Oh, Surabaya. Okay, sorry. Oh, Surabaya. Okay. Oh, Surabaya. Have you ever go to Jatim Park?
I think Jatim Park is on Malang.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Is that far?
No, like maybe 1 hour.
Oh, okay. But have you ever go there?
Yes.
Oh, what do you think? Is that good?
Kinda.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Because I never go there, and I heard there are Jatim Park 1, 2, and 3. Is that right?
Yes.
Which one that you recommend?
The second one.
Oh, Jatim Park 2. What is the difference?
Jatim Park 2 has more, what is it called? Wahana.
Oh, okay, okay. I see. Oh, is it? I see. Have you ever go to Dufan?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Dufan is like theme park. Yeah, it's in Jakarta. Maybe next time you can try. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Let me share screen. Okay, can you see my screen? Okay, can see my screen, yeah?
Yes, I
Okay.
can.
Yeah, we continue the last topic, inheritance. Yeah, last time, we create this game. However, you only able to move and there is no score yet. And the enemy also, or the red square is still stuck in their place. It's not moving yet. So yeah, today we will try to finish it. Yeah, last week we create hit it game. Okay, and there are two things. First is the game object, and the second is the game events. Game object, we have player. Player is the yellow, and then we have obstacles. Obstacle is the red one, and also target is the green one. Okay, and for the player, the yellow, we move the player using keyboard, And for the obstacles, it's move automatically. And yeah, for the target, which is the green one, it stays in the place. Okay. And what about game event? What is game event? Game event is like um what happened in the game. Okay, what happened in the game is game event. So for example, if the player touch the goal, if the player touch the goal, or if the player touch the green one, yeah, the obstacles will disappear. And if the player touch the obstacles, the target will disappear. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we'll try to finish this game today. Yeah. So yeah, today we will make the character able to move automatically. Okay. Okay, yeah, let's review what we had learned so far. Last week we learned about inheritance. In Indonesia, we call it as a pewarisan. So what is inheritance? Parents usually give inheritance to their child. For example, if your parents has a brown eyes, and you most likely will have brown eyes too. So that is inheritance. Another example, for some parents, they prepare money. So once the parents die, the parents give money to their child. So that is inheritance. Yeah, so inheritance is transfer all skills from the parents to the child class. So in the programming, we transfer variables and also function to the child class. Why we need to do that? So later the child class doesn't have to type everything at beginning again. So they can just use a function or variable from the parents. Okay. Yeah, last week we also tried to implement so how to write the child class and parent class. So first thing, a class, and then for example the child class name, followed by the parent class name. Okay, yeah. So how to do this? How to do the exercise today? So we will create a variable called total. So at the beginning the total is 0. Okay, as long as the player hasn't touched the goal 3 times, the obstacle will keep moving. So the total is counting how many times player touching the green goal. So it needs to be 3 times in order the player to win. So yeah, if the player wants to win, they have to touch the goal 3 times. So total is used to count how many times the player has touched the goal. So at the beginning, the total is 0 because the player hasn't touched anything. And as long as the player touch less than 3, yeah, it will check. Did the player touch the target sprite? If yes, it will increase the total by 1. If no, yeah, it will keep check. Okay. So how to check if the player already touched the goal or not yet? So we use distance. We will calculate the distance. For example, this is the player and this triangle is the goal. Okay. To know the spread touching the goal or not, we will measure the distance. Okay. So if the distance less than 30, it means they already touch each other. Okay, so if the distance less than 30, yeah, so we use if. If the distance less than 30, we return true. True means we the spread collide with the goal. Otherwise, we return as false. Yeah, this one. At the beginning, the total score is 0. And then while the total score less than 3, and then if the player collide with the goal, the player will go to that coordinate, and then the total score will increase by 1. However, if the player collide with enemy or the barrier, the goal will hide. It means they lose. Okay. So this one is lose, and this one is when they touch the goal. Okay. Yeah. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, if you don't have any question, maybe we can try. You can share screen. We try the exercise. Yes. Um. Oh yeah, just click next. Okay, can you go back to 22? I think we will continue in 22. Yes. Yeah, number 2. Okay. So, you go to the question. Yeah, go to the question. Yeah, we go to number 2. What is number 2? Oh, number 2. Yeah, read the question. What they want?
Another, another instance of
Hmm?
the sprite class for the target sprite.
Oh, we already create the instance. Create object for the target. So that is line number 26 until 29. We already create the instance. Orange is player, red is enemy, and gold is green. Okay, what else?
That's all.
Not yet. Is collide?
And the is collide.
Hmm. Add function is collide. So as is collide is to detect whether the player already touched the goal or not yet, or whether the player already touched the enemy or no. Okay. So after line 25, you create a function is collide. Hmm. Same line with this. Yeah. not turtle. Return true.
Oh yeah.
Hmm.
What?
Hmm. Yeah, so what is it? Not yet, yeah, because we haven't called the function. So in here, we check the distance, x coordinate and y coordinate. So for example, there are two items. Okay, we will check the distance. Okay, this is line 27. We check the distance. And 28 is if the distance is less than 30, we return true. Otherwise, we return false. Okay. And next, where should we put the this collide? Where we should we call this function? Do you have any idea?
Wait. Sorry. What?
Where we can put this function? We already create the function, right? But where we should call the function? Do you have any idea where we should use the function?
Sorry. What? My
Oh,
Wi-Fi
okay.
turned off.
Okay. So we already create function to check whether the player collide with the enemy or the goal. Now where we can use this function? Do you know where we can use this function? Yeah, you can just guess. The clue is inside the loops. Inside loops of the game. Where is the loops? Something with while. Do have we create? Oh, we haven't. Okay, so later we create a loops for the game. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, wait there. After line. Wait there. After line 35. We create a variable total score is equals to 0. Put it here. Same line here. Yeah. Total score equals to 0. Yeah, and scroll down. Yeah, after 43, we create a loops. So while the total score is less than 3, so yeah. Yeah, so as long as the total score is less than 3, and then what happened if the player touches the goal? Do you know what
Sorry.
happened? What happened if the player touches the goal?
The enemy disappears.
Enemy disappear, and what else? The score is
The score
increased.
increase.
Yeah, the score is increased. So if player is collide, sorry, this one is if player collide with the goal, put indentation here. Yeah, one tap. Yes. Okay. If the player collide with the goal, Total score increased by one. Mm. Plus equals one. Increased by one. Yeah, and then the player will go to zero. Yeah, okay. Next, you create another if the player collide with enemy one or player collide with enemy two. So how to do it? Create another if player is collide. Mm, not goal. This one is enemy one. Yeah, this one enemy one. Or or yeah, here or outside the bracket. Or player is collide enemy two. Mm, yeah, and then colon goal dot hit turtle. So the goal will disappear. Goal dot hit turtle. Mm. And then break. Mm. And then okay. Okay, yeah, until this part, do you understand what is going on? So if the player collide with the goal, the score increase. But if the player collide with enemy, the goal will disappear. Okay, oh why it's not defined? Yeah, it's typo.
Oh yeah.
Uh-uh. Okay, okay, we haven't finished yet. But yeah, you can try to touch the. Oh, can you touch the goal?
I press what wait let me.
Can it move?
What do we press?
Arrow key, arrow key.
No.
Arrow key, panah atas, up, down, left, and right. Click and then move up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if you touch this one, the goal will disappear. Can you try? Yeah, okay. Disappear, yeah.
I cannot press the right one.
Sorry, what you cannot do?
The right.
Yeah, you have to play again if you want to restart. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this one cannot move yet. This one cannot move yet. We'll do it later.
No, here. How can I go to the right?
Can you touch this one?
Wait.
Yeah, until three times. After three times, how to make this disappear? Can you add the code? If the total score is 3, you will hide the enemy. You do it here. Yeah, outside the while. So if the total is equals to 3, double equals. Yeah. How to hide the enemy? Almost similar like line 48. Look at line 48. That is how to hide the goal. So how if you want to hide the enemy? Yeah, enemy one hide turtle, and what else? Enemy two. Yes. Yeah, okay, can you try? So you have to touch this one 3 times. Later, this one will disappear. Yeah, okay. It's
Okay.
disappear, yeah? Okay, good job. Okay, before we go to the next one, do you need to drink water first or go to toilet?
No.
Okay, no. Okay. Down. Let me share screen. You can stop share. Okay. Okay, so you are already able to make a game event. So what did you just create is game event when the player touch the goal and when the player touch the enemy. Okay, and continue. And we will create the enemy. How to make the enemy automatically move. Okay, so if you see the enemy, it will be move forward, yeah. So it will create a steps. So how to do it? First, we will set the angle, which angle the square will face, and after that we will move. So we set x start, y start is the first position, x and y n is the end position. So for example, to go from here to here. So this one is x start, y start, and this one is x n, comma y n. Okay. So this is first position and second position. So this is the square, for example. Let's go here. And if the square go here, there will be another x start and y start. So we will keep moving. So after that, we use go to and then set heading. So inside the step, we will use forward because it will go straight. Okay. And then how about this one? We add an if the distance less than after step, set move something. What does that mean? Why we need this one? We use this if so the um the enemy will not go outside the screen. So we try to give a barrier, like border. It will just go around the screen. Okay. Okay. Next. So yeah, we will call the function here. Before the collide, we will call enemy dot make step and enemy dot make step. Okay. Yeah, we'll try to finish that one first. Do you have any question? Okay, if you don't have any question, maybe we can share screen. We try again. So we create a function. Scroll up. We create a function start move. Do you have start move? No, yeah. After line 31, we create a function to move. Okay. Here. Set move. Set underscore move. Here, yeah. Yeah. So let me see. Okay, yeah, that's correct. Is for moving, and then we create another function to make a step. Wait there. So- I will just take a screenshot. Wait. I take a screenshot and put it on Zoom chat. You can look at the code on Zoom chat because I don't know why I cannot write. Yeah, you can do it after line 38. Yeah, inside here. Oh, yeah. Oh, it can. Yeah, like this. No need too much space. You can just put it after. Mhm. Yes. Oh, yeah. This one, line 42. Can you just make it here, line 42? 42, this one. Can you move it here? Yeah. Yes. And this one, add indentation. Yes. Okay. And okay. Next, where should we put this function? We put it inside the while. Can you find the while? Scroll down. Yeah, we do it after line 54. 50, after 54, we make the enemy move. Yeah, enemy make step. And then another one is don't forget to add the bracket. And another one is enemy to don't make step. Uh okay, try. There is an error. Has no attribute xn. Can you scroll up? Okay. So why it's no attribute xn? X. Wait, let me check. What is the mistake? Hmm. If self the distance mix step self the adults. Okay. Okay, I know why. Can you scroll down? Scroll down. Yeah, here we haven't add the move. Okay, after line 45, please add this one. Wait. After line 45, add this one. Is the initial position and moving. Yeah, and another one, you add after line 47. Okay, so after line 47, okay, you add this. Yeah, okay, try. Yeah, if that works, can you try? It works, but the yellow ball cannot move to the right, cannot go to the right. Okay. Okay, can scroll up. Let's see this function, move right. Is that already correct? Maybe something wrong. Where is the function move right? Scroll up. Yeah, where's the function move right? Yeah, you can scroll up and find move right. Okay, maybe something wrong with move right. Um, Let me see. X coordinate plus elf dot step self dot, yeah, it already works. Hmm, move down, move left. Yeah, can you scroll down again? Up, down, str dot on key, player dot move right, right. Okay, yeah, it already works. I think it's already fine. Can you try again? Can you try to move left if that works? Left works. How about the right?
Works.
Yeah.
Finally.
Okay. Okay, the next task is for now, this one is moving, this one is moving, and we add more challenge. How to make the triangle also moving? How to make the triangle moving? As a clue, this is the code to make the enemy moving. So now, how to make the goal also moving? Mm. How to make the goal also moving? No need function, no need function. Scroll down again. This is how to make the enemy moving. So if you want to make the goal moving, how to do it? Just add one more line. Yeah, just do it here after the enemy. Dot. Yes, try. Oh, why is not
Wow.
have?
Wow.
Oh, okay, I know why. Because you haven't set the enemy, the goal. Okay, wait, let me add this. After line 49, you add this one. This one. After 49. Mm. Oh, yeah, now it's more difficult. Can you?
Still
Yeah.
easy.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, my next question is, how if we want to create another enemy? How if I told you to create another enemy? The square is not square, maybe is a turtle and maybe another color. So where should we add?
Sorry, what? Another
How to
enemy.
create another enemy? Yes, enemy tree, for example.
Mm,
How to create another enemy?
make another sprite.
Yeah, yeah. Please write another sprite. Scroll down. Yeah. Please add another enemy. Enemy tree. Here, here, here. Yes. Enemy tree.
Eh, eh,
Equals to sprite. You have to write the sprite equals to sprite. Follow exactly the same, yeah. Sprite, the class name. And then minus with comma. Maybe try 100. 15, comma, turtle. Yeah, and another color. What color? Blue or yeah, okay. And then set the move.
where do
After 49, enemy dot set move. Enemy 3 dot set move. Mm. Comma 100, for example. Mm. No, can you follow the example? Minus S width. This is the example. 100, comma,
we
100. This
wonder
100, comma, minus S.
sh-
Mm. Mm-mm. 100 also. Mhm. Okay. And then what else? Where we have to add the code. Yeah, please add enemy 3 max step. And then also add the here. Also add here. Enemy 3 hide turtle.
the
What?
turtle.
Why is the turtle, yeah?
He goes to the
You forgot the
left.
bracket. Please add the bracket. Okay, try again. Oh, I think it's too far away. Okay, maybe try to reduce it. Where is it? Yeah, this one. Try to add 80, 80, 80, and 80 instead of 100. Mm-mm. And this one also is changed to 80. Have you? Yeah, 80.
The turtle is still gone.
Where is it? Yeah,
It goes to the left.
I think something miss here. Oh, yeah. This one is 0. Try 0. Okay, try. Oh, it goes to left, yeah.
Yeah.
15. This one, remove the minus. Okay, try again. Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, okay, that's it. Okay, let's wrap up. So what you had learned today?
Making games. Hit it game.
Yeah, hit it game. What you had today? What is your progress?
The make the enemy move.
Make the enemy move. What else?
Um, at another enemy.
Add another enemy. What else? If the player touch the enemy,
The game will stop.
yeah. How if the player touch the goal?
Uh, the itu. The enemy is gone.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. For today class. What do you think? Is it difficult?
Kinda.
Kinda. But do you understand the logic?
Yes.
Okay. 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 So yeah, that's it for today class. So next week, we will continue again with this game. We will add win and lose condition. Okay. Um.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's it for today, class. So, yeah,
Okay.
see you next week. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.